DNS, Domain Name System. You have a computer, so you type in that funky domain you just bought for your website. Your website is stored on another computer. Let's call that computer a server, because that's exactly what it does. It serves things over the internet. This server has an IP address attached, just like every other computer on the internet. This address or number is each computer's unique identifier. It's a little bit like a phone number, really. In fact, we could probably access our server using that very number if we wanted, but who wants to do that? So you buy a domain name so that you can have a convenient, memorable string of words to type into that address bar. So every time you type tomsweeney.dev into your browser, it's making a request to a DNS server asking, what is the address of the web server where tomsweeney.dev is located? Your browser is then able to pull that data directly from the server. The world's a big place, and there are a lot, and I mean a lot, of DNS servers in it. So when you change the values of your domain name, when you update the DNS for your domain name, you're only updating the DNS for one DNS server. That server then has to contact another server, and that server then contacts another server, and those details are updated in each of these servers. That's called propagation. And so it can take anywhere up to 48 hours for those changes to be seen around the globe, because you've got to have one computer contact another computer, another one, another one, another one, another one. Now, this has been a very simplistic overview of what DNS is, but there's a lot more to it, as you can imagine. But this is going to get started, I think. This should be good enough.